No, we're doing that way then, aren't we?
Yeah, I think we go down to that roundabout and then right and then right again and then back up.
Let's go. Ready, Richard?
Ready.
Let's go. Good morning, good morning. Today we are heading up there. There's some switchbacks there as well. But today we are only doing around 50k, around 1,000 meters, because tomorrow we are doing Valley of the Tears, which is meant to be brutal. I think it's meant to be a mixture of Hard Knot Pass and Galibier, so we're just having a steady day today just to prepare our legs for that. So yeah, it's really nice. The roads are pretty smooth and pretty nice. So yeah, that is what we're up to today. And yeah, I reckon let's just plough on. Let's get up these I can see some switchbacks ahead, so I'll try and show you them in a little bit. And yeah, see you shortly.
That road there, you have to go quite a long way that way to get on it.
Right, the switchbacks.
To the switchbacks and then we'll be right. Look how amazing this is. Just loads of switchbacks, amazing views, rocks, sunshine. So we have just done the climb, and I'm going to leave a link, well, as I always do. My Strava is in the description. You have to look at this climb if you ever come to Gran Canaria. That was one of the nicest, just most beautiful climbs I've ever done. It was really gentle and like switchbacky, is that a word? But just so stunning. So we're at the top now, and I don't know why I'm stood that way, and that is the view. Absolutely freaking stunning. And so yeah, we're gonna head down now, and then just kind of want to chat about my bike. What do you want? Stop video bombing. So now I want to quickly show you my kind of upgraded, pimped up bike. So let's just get straight into it. So I've got the new 105 group set on there. So the old one was 5800, and that is the 7000, and it's got wider crank there, and apparently the chain rings are slightly different so that it kind of stops you cross chaining. I mean, I don't ever cross chain, so, well, not purposely anyway. So yeah, I've got that on it. So I've got a nice new clean shiny group set. God, it's a little bit scratched already actually. And then at the back, obviously, I mean, that's not going to be changing anytime soon, a new 40 cassette and chain. Also, that's the wolf tooth. So if everyone asks me how do you get a 40 on the back, you just have to put a wolf tooth. Can you see it there? Hang on. So yeah, you just put a wolf tooth there. And then wheels, I've got some new wheels as well. These are, so the RS11s that I had, I still really rate, absolutely loved them. But my rear hub went towards the end of last year. And so I thought I needed to get some new wheels. So these are Ultegra Shimano. Let's have a look. Shimano Ultegra. They are RS 700s, and they are so nice. They just feel really, really light, and yeah, really liking them. So that is what we've got on there. And so I reckon one of the things that people think is that you have to like upgrade like the whole bike, and for me, I've just kept the same frame, the same forks, and I've just upgraded the group set and the wheels, and it just feels like a brand spanking new bike. So it's really, really nice, and just to get out in the warm weather and just be able to ride it without worrying about getting all dirty and mucky. So yeah, that is the new bike setup. So we're gonna head down now, and I'll see you in a little bit. Actually, Richard, are you putting your GoPro on? It's gonna film the descent for me. Thank you. So that's what you'll see. So thank you very much, Richard. I'm gonna head down, but look at that view. That is a tasty view. GoPro's on, let's go.
Broaden across your collarbones and look straight
Yoga
ahead.
time.
Close your eyes. In this
Which is practically
exhale, bring your hands back down to the mat. Bring your arms by your sides, palms facing up
see it.
for locust pose. Inhale, lift.
So the reason, again, for the mega short, I'm trying to get some nice background in. Yeah, for the short ride is because we're doing Valley of the Tears tomorrow. It is an insane day out. So it's going to be about 150k, but around, I think it's going to be over 4,000 meters elevation. So we're just having a very steady day, done some yoga, eating up a lot of carbs, ready for the climbing tomorrow. So yeah, that is what you've got to come to expect from the next video. I don't know whether I'm going to take my my Sony camera. I'll probably just take the GoPro, to be honest, because it's going to be a hilly day out. So yeah. So yeah, I hope you're enjoying these Gran Canaria videos. It is so nice here. It is, I actually think, I mean, I've only been here 2 days, but I think I prefer it to Tenerife. It's just stunning, absolutely stunning. Like, Tenerife is equally as stunning, but I feel like with Tenerife it's just so hilly. I mean, I like the hills, but I just feel like that is like extreme steep hills. Like, you can't just have a steady day, whereas here you can have a fairly steady day. So that is it for today's video. I'm going to go and finish editing this video and put some bits on my Instagram again. I am plugging the old Instagram, so yeah, if you're not following me on there, I'll leave a link to that. It is Katie Kookaburra #1, so follow me on Instagram if you want to, and I'll see you tomorrow for the day of Valley of the Tears. See you later. Also, if you've done the Valley of Tears, let me know what you thought of it. It'd be great to see how you felt it was. I'm scared but very excited, so yeah, see you later.